Hello everyone, it's Carolyn and welcome back to the very last video of Clean Week. I can't believe that it is over. I have enjoyed making these cleaning motivation videos for you guys so much, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching them as well. Tonight I am going to be doing a relaxing after dinner, after dark clean with me. Yes, it's still light out, but it is getting sort of late out, but it's the summer, so the sun hasn't exactly gone down yet. But I have been really enjoying these more relaxing type clean with me videos. Usually I prefer the high energy, high intensity music, but I have been really enjoying the more relaxing type so that I can watch them after dinner as I'm cleaning up and winding down for the night. So don't forget, I'm sure you know by now that I am collaborating all week long with my friend Heather McCarthy. She is doing an After Dark Clean with me today as well to round out our Clean Week special. So as you can see, I'm just getting started in our dining room and front entryway. We had a huge 40-person pool party at our house yesterday. So even though I've cleaned up a lot of the mess, there is still a lot of cleaning left to do. So since it is after dinner, I'm going to be winding down for the night. I thought it would be the perfect time to start my essential oil diffuser. This is new and I am absolutely loving it. I've been wanting to get one for a really long time, but I just never knew which one to get. So I was so happy when the BZ Seed Company reached out to me and offered to send it to me to give it a try. You guys, I'm seriously loving this diffuser so much. The sleek, elegant wood grain design matches my decor perfectly, and it even comes in both the light wood grain I have here as well as the dark wood color as well, so it'll match no matter what decor you have. It has a huge capacity. This can run for over 10 hours, and you can program it to run for 1, 3, or 6 hours, which I love because I'm always forgetting to turn things off. It also has the beautiful colored lights, and there are 7 different options, so it's perfect for setting the mood. You can display it in the dark when you're watching TV or just relaxing before bed, and I am just loving using this every night. So BZ Seed was so kind to give me a discount code for you guys. I'll link it in the description box. And you can buy this diffuser on Amazon, so it could not be more convenient. So I'm continuing my cleaning mission in my main living area here, just trying to tidy up all the clutter. And I know what you guys are thinking. Yes, usually I do have my kids help me, but my daughter's only 1, so she's sort of a freeloader for a little bit longer, and my son, who is 3, fell asleep on the couch at 5 o'clock. And if anyone else has kids, you know that that is just a recipe for disaster. So he is super cranky right now. My husband is actually dealing with him in the kitchen, trying to get him to eat dinner. So I am just hustling over here, trying to pick up all these toys so that I can get the floors cleaned. So I'm sprinkling that same carpet powder that you saw in my Dollar Tree Clean with me. I know it seems like I just did it, but that was actually 2 weeks ago that I filmed this, so I did want to do it again. And yes, I know my daughter probably shouldn't be rolling around in it, but they are actually going to be heading upstairs to take a bath any minute now. So all that carpet powder will not be on her for the rest of the night, I promise.
We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.
So I'm just continuing on with vacuuming, trying to get all of the floors done. And then once my kids go upstairs and my husband gets them in the bath, I am going to be starting mopping. So since we had that big party yesterday, I did a ton of food prep for that. I was way too tired to cook. So I don't have that many dishes to do since we ordered takeout tonight. But as per usual, I have a ton of clutter on my island. This thing is just a magnet for clutter. So I'm just clearing off the dishes from dinner and then putting everything where it belongs before I wipe everything down.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do.
So my husband finally took the kids upstairs into the bath, so I'm going to wipe down my stainless steel refrigerator so that it can be fingerprint free for approximately 10 minutes before I finish up vacuuming, just getting all the crumbs off the kitchen floor because you know that there are a ton. And then I'm going to quickly mop the entire main living area because there was a lot of traffic going through this house yesterday during our party.
Thought I was losing who I call myself today in this world of illusions. Didn't dare to.
Just in case you guys were wondering, this is the Shark Steam Mop. I do love it. I think it does a great job. I don't use it all the time because I do have wood floors, but for deep cleanings, this is definitely my go-to mop. If you're interested, I will make sure that I link it down in the description box for you.
Weren't steady next to me. Your arms have carried me for miles. Here's where I belong. Life can be unfair. I just couldn't handle it. Still smell the bitter taste of misery and unfaith. I just need to.
All right, the downstairs is clean. My kids are in bed and I need to tackle this giant laundry basket full of laundry. So I did wash our sheets today, so I am going to be making our bed so that we can go to sleep in it in a little while before I tackle this great big pile of laundry. It's not so bad because I just realized that the new season of Orange is the New Black is now out on Netflix. So I started binge watching that tonight while I folded. And let me know, do you guys watch that show? Because I am so sad that it is the last season. I can't believe it. I've been watching it since the beginning. And if you have any recommendations for some good shows to watch on Netflix or any other stations, then please let me know. I'm always looking for some awesome new TV shows to binge watch.
And I don't know where I would be or where I'll go if you weren't standing next to me. Your love will carry me for life, and I don't know where I would be or where I'll go if you weren't standing next to me. Your arms have carried me for miles. Here's where I belong.
Alright, so that is going to be the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you enjoyed the other videos that I posted this week for my Clean Week collaboration. Don't forget to go check out my friend Heather. She's doing her nighttime cleaning routine as well, and we have an entire Clean Week playlist. So if you need some serious cleaning motivation to help you get your to-do list done, just hit play on that playlist and it's going to bring you through all of our videos, and you are going to get all the motivation that you need to tackle your to-do list. So I really thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to see you on Tuesday with a brand new video. Bye!
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like.